Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Easy English Podcast. I'm Grace, your host today. I speak slowly and clearly to help you understand, relax, and enjoy learning English.
And hello, I'm Zizi. Sometimes I'm your mini-host. Sometimes I'm the student who asks too many questions or makes too many jokes. But today, I'm here to learn with you.
And we are both very happy you're here with us. On the Easy English Podcast, we help you learn English in simple steps, step by step, day by day. We use slow English, clear pronunciation, and the shadowing method.
Yes, shadowing, my favorite, and also the thing that makes me sound like a karaoke echo machine.
Today, we are talking about something very simple but very powerful. How to practice English every single day, even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you do not live in an English-speaking country.
Oh, this is a good topic. Many learners always say, I don't have time, I'm busy, I'm scared, I don't know how to start, including me sometimes.
That's true. And many people think they must travel to the UK or America to speak English well. But that is not true at all. You don't need to move to London. You don't need a native speaker beside you every day. And you don't need to study for hours every night.
So what do we need, Grace?
You need small, smart steps. Steps you can repeat. Steps that fit into your busy life. Steps that make you feel comfortable, natural, and confident in English.
This sounds like my kind of lifestyle. Small steps, because big steps make my legs hurt.
Let's begin with a simple question. What is shadowing?
Ooh, let me guess. It's when I follow you everywhere like your shadow.
Not exactly, Zizi, but close. Let me explain. Shadowing is a technique where you listen to someone speaking English and you repeat exactly what they say, almost at the same time.
So it's like being an echo.
Yes, you don't stop, you don't translate in your mind, you don't check the dictionary. You simply copy the sounds, the tone, the rhythm, the speed.
Even if I don't understand everything?
Yes, that's completely okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It is about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English.
So it's like a workout for my face?
You can say that. It helps your mouth and tongue get used to English sounds. If you do shadowing for just 5 minutes a day, you will speak more clearly, more naturally, and with more confidence.
5 minutes only? I spend more time than that looking for snacks.
See, you can definitely do this. Let's try a short example. Ready?
Ready?
I will say a sentence, and you repeat. I want to speak English fluently.
I want to speak English fluently.
I listen to English every day.
I listen to English every day.
Shadowing helps me speak better.
Shadowing helps me speak better.
Very good. That is shadowing. Simple and effective.
I feel like a good student today. Someone gives me a gold star.
Now, let's move to the big question. How can you practice English every single day? Many students tell me, Grace, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I'm nervous. I don't know how to start. And I always say, you do not need a lot of time. You do not need perfect grammar. You just need to begin. Today, we have 5 simple and powerful ways for daily English practice.
5 ways. Nice. I love lists. Lists make life easier and shorter.
Tip 1. Listen to English every day. This is the most important step. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Not once a week, not only in class, every day.
Why every day, though? Isn't that too much?
Listening helps your brain learn new words naturally. It helps you hear real English rhythm. It trains your ears to understand faster, and it helps you get used to the way real people speak, not just textbook English.
Oh, so if I listen more, I speak better.
Exactly. You can listen to podcasts, English music, YouTube videos, short stories, simple English news. You don't need 100% understanding. Even 30% or 50% helps.
I can listen while cooking, or cleaning, or lying on the sofa doing nothing.
Yes, that is perfect. Just make English your background music. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear.
Ah, yes, echo time again.
Yes, listening is great, but speaking is how you grow stronger. After listening, repeat the sentence. Copy the voice. Match the rhythm. For example, I want to get better at English.
I want to get better at English.
I don't understand everything, but I keep going.
I don't understand everything, but I keep going.
I'm improving little by little.
I'm improving little by little.
Good. Do this every day. Repeat the same sentences again and again. You will see your pronunciation and confidence grow.
So practice, not perfection.
Exactly. Practice is the key. You know, practice makes perfect. Tip 3. Think in English, one thought at a time.
Oof, this one sounds hard. My brain likes to speak, well, my language.
It is difficult at first, yes, but translation is slow. Thinking directly in English makes speaking faster. Start with small, simple thoughts. When you wake up, it's morning. I'm sleepy. I need coffee.
I always need coffee. That sentence is easy.
When you go outside, the sky is blue. I see a dog. The air is cold. During the day, I'm working. I'm tired. I want to go home. These are small thoughts, but they train your brain to connect to English directly.
And then later say them out loud?
Yes, whisper them or say them quietly. It's like having a small English conversation with yourself.
So I talk to myself, but in English. I like it. Sounds smart.
Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is much better. It trains your mouth, tongue, and brain together. Choose simple text. Children's books, beginner stories, dialogues, easy articles. Read slowly first, then read again a little faster, then read with expression, like an actor.
I can be dramatic, like very dramatic.
Yes, you can. Reading aloud improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. It's like going to the gym, but for your speaking muscles.
Tip 5. Use English in your daily life. This one is very important. If you want to speak well, don't only study English. Live with English.
Live with English, like invite English into my house?
Something like that. English should be part of your real life, not just something you do once a week. Here are easy ways.
Change your phone to English. You look at your phone many times every day, so let your phone teach you words like settings, brightness, update, or download. This is passive learning.
My phone speaks English better than me. Time for it to teach me something.
Write a short diary, just 3 sentences each night. Today, I went to work. I was tired. I watched an English video. Simple, short, but powerful.
Sounds like I'm going to become a writer.
And tip number 3, record a 1-minute voice message. At the end of the day, speak for 1 minute. No one needs to listen. Just talk about your day. When you listen again, you hear your pronunciation and grammar. You notice mistakes and improve next time.
1 minute is easy. I talk for 1 minute about snacks every day.
And 4, join an online group. You can write messages, send voice notes, or ask questions. It makes English feel alive. Watch short videos and repeat. TikTok, Reels, Shorts all have many simple English videos. Watch 2 or 3 times, then pause and repeat.
I already spent too much time on short videos. Now I can say it is study.
Yes, just make it useful. Using English daily is not difficult. You don't need a teacher beside you. Just turn small actions into English practice. Instead of saying good morning in your own language, say it in English. Write your to-do list in English. Watch 5 minutes of English video instead of 5 minutes in your language. Small actions build strong habits. Strong habits create confident English speakers.
So basically, English is not homework. It's a lifestyle.
Exactly. Let English be part of who you are. In your phone, your thoughts, your voice, in your daily moments. That is when fluency begins.
Wow. Grace, that was beautiful. I almost cried. Almost.
Thank you, Zizi. Thank you, everyone, for listening to the Easy English podcast today. We hope this episode helps you build simple but powerful English habits every day.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell us which tip you want to try first.
And we will see you again in the next episode.
Bye-bye, friends. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and don't forget, 5 minutes of English is better than 0 minutes.
Remember, small steps, big results. See you next time.